Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, confusion and chaos today with people under 50 who are due the second dose of the COVID vaccine being turned away from vaccination centers. This as the government moves to prioritize the immunization of vulnerable groups in light of a vaccine shortage. Dashan Hendricks has our story.
Anxiety and questions on Friday as thousands turned up at vaccination centers for the second dose of the COVID vaccine, only to be told they won't be getting it if they are under 50. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton made the announcement in the COVID press briefing last evening, the move affecting 30,000 people who got the first dose of the vaccine 8 weeks ago and are now due for the second dose. Dr. Tufton said with vaccines short in the island, the decision has been made to prioritize getting vaccines to those in the vulnerable groups.
It is the older population who are at greater risk, who like to be more affected. They are normally the persons with comorbidities, arthritis, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and so on.
For those anxious that they will miss the timeline to get the second dose of the vaccine, this declaration from the health minister.
I want to just reassure you that even if you have had your due date for a second dose, the 8 weeks, you still have up to 12 weeks to benefit from the double dose, which is the full treatment of the AstraZeneca vaccine.
Chairman of PAHO's Regional Immunization Technical Advisory Group, Professor Peter Figueroa, however, seeking to calm frayed nerves even further, said the administration of the second dose of the COVID-19 vaccine can be made as late as 16 weeks after the first.
It is unfortunate that they have to postpone the second dose, but there is no need for these people to be concerned or worried, because if the second dose is delayed to 12 weeks or even to 16 weeks, the second dose will still be fully effective when they get it. The body's immune system does not forget that they got the first dose. So the second dose will still work fully when they do get it.
For now, health officials bank on getting vaccines as scheduled in the next few weeks. The country is hoping to secure some of the 25 million doses that the United States has pledged to poor countries. Then there are doses already on order from the National Health Fund.
We do have supplies that are going to come beyond August into a number of months, 1.9 million doses of the single-dose Johnson & Johnson. We're working with COVAX to get supplies of AstraZeneca before that period.
Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.